Now we're going to do a couple more radios cleanup once again. What we want to do is get these looking like you see here, and we're going to assess the work and clean up the cabinets. They look pretty rough and it made for a good price. These things are hard to find actually, and when I see them I'm often disappointed. Now we'll be working on the outside of these two Bakelite radios. We won't be doing anything with the electronics. What we're thinking of doing is converting these to Bluetooth streamers. When we start taking them apart and looking in the back, that's an old, what you see there is an old antenna. When we start taking them apart, we can see that they're pretty rough. They do need attention. And like I said, we're going to actually make them into Bluetooth streamers. Here, the cord even needs replacing. These radios have probably been taken to repair shops way back in the 50s. And we can see some of the results in, well, less than perfect work. Oh, by the way, we'd like your opinion. Full restoration or Bluetooth conversion. So you can see here that they've used tissue paper to repair the cone. And there's mismatched knobs. We'll try and find some knobs online for them. They are available. This chassis happens to be missing a tube, but we're not going to deal with it in this video. We're going to clean the case with soap and water, that friendly old blue soap. Get them ready for more intense cleaning and preparation. They clean up nicely. They really look pretty good already. This case has some cracks. We're going to fix it from the inside so it won't crack any further. We're using Brasso to take out the finer scratches. Look for the links below where to buy. And it really works great. Don't press too hard. It's a light touch you want to use. There are some places on both these cabinets where they've been in garages where there's little bits of paint and stuff that take a little bit more attention, but still use a light touch. Don't use the Brasso on the clear plastic. It's just going to scratch it up. Rinse it with clean water, and already it's looking good, but we're going to make it even look better. And you can see the mismatched knobs there. There's the cracks. We're going to fix them so they don't get any bigger. We're using a tape we found online. It's an epoxy tape that works with a heat gun to activate it. We'll put links in again below. We've lined it up, holding it down with a screwdriver, and you can't see the heat gun, but you can see the results real quickly. And it's a great, great quick way to repair some things. Now they won't get any bigger. We're going to fill the cracks in the outside. We're going to do our best so it's not as visible. And let them dry. Then we're going to shine these cabinets up. We're using liquid gold. It's a technique we learned on YouTube, and it does a great job on bringing back the shine to the Bakelite. And this is where we're going to use the liquid gold to clean up the faceplate, the plastic, clear plastic. Do that again. And this is the results for the RCA, and they do look great. This one's my favorite, the Packard-Bell. Looks like something Steve Jobs would have designed. Here they are again at the start, and here they are finished. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching.